Knee pain is one of the most common pains that people experience when they work out or even if they don't work out. I've trained people for over 18 years. I'm an online trainer, also an in-person trainer, and I've trained over 500 people, and one of the most common issues is knee pain. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy, quick ways to get rid of knee pain as fast as possible, possibly even in the one session. These 3 tips that I'm going to show you get rid of knee pain for at least 99% of my clients that I've trained for over the last 18 years. Some people think like it's genetic or it's cartilage and bone on bone, and sometimes that is true, but for the vast majority of people, it's simply tight muscles or not warming up enough. So now I'm going to show you the 3 exercises and mobility drills that you can do to reduce your knee pain. This is one of the simplest warm-ups you can do. You can do it anywhere. All you need is a treadmill turned off. We're going to do a backwards treadmill walk. You could also use a reverse sled drag. You can even walk backwards uphill. They all work. You're going to do this for approximately 60 seconds. I'm going to show you how it works. You're going to sit down a little bit low, and all you're going to do with the treadmill turned off is walk like this. After 15-20 seconds, you'll notice that your quads start to burn a little bit. You want to go as long as you need to until you get a nice little burn here. And this is going to help warm your knees up before you work out. The second warm-up is called a terminal knee lockout. I've given this exercise to so many people and they've never complained of knee pain while doing it. So no matter how bad your knees are, you'll likely be able to do it, but I'm sure 1 out of 1,000 people might feel some pain, so go at your own level. You're gonna take a band. This is a Rogue band, green, maybe 50 or 60 pounds of resistance. You're gonna tie it around knee height, and then you're gonna step through the band, and now it's gonna sit in the back of your knee. You're gonna walk back a little bit until you get some stretch on the band, and all you're gonna do for about 20 reps is straighten your leg, which is gonna flex your quad. So you're gonna do 15 to 20 reps until you get a bit of a burn, and then you're gonna switch sides. You could do a couple sets of this before your workout. It really helps warm up your quads and your knees. The next one, we're gonna use the foam roller. Most gyms have these, and if you don't, it's about $30 or $35 Canadian on Amazon or wherever you buy your fitness stuff. You're gonna place the foam roller on a mat, and you're gonna get on top of it, and we're gonna roll our legs out. You're gonna be on your elbows, so you can go all the way as high as you can, right down to your knees, nice and slow. You can spend about 60 seconds to 90 seconds just coming nice and slow up and down. After that, the real money is when you turn your foot to the outside and start to foam roll right here. A lot of tension and knots exist right here, and you'll know if this hurts a lot, it means you need it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one leg at a time. So I'm coming back and I'm externally rotating this foot here, up and down, and then I switch. Nice and slow, up and down. It's pretty painful right now. You can do this for up to 2 minutes, back and forth. Put as much pressure as you can handle without tensing. If you tense, these types of mobility drills don't work very well. So just go to your maximum discomfort level. That's pretty painful. Just back and forth, back and forth. These are the 3 drills you can do every single day, definitely before your leg workout, or if you have knee pain and you want to play sports like pickleball, basketball. If you're a runner, something like 80% of runners actually get injured their very first year. Running is an easy thing to do, but people don't do the required mobility and stretching afterwards. So we have the treadmill walk, backwards, the terminal knee lockout, and then the foam roll. If you want to see more videos like this, comment down below. You can follow me on Instagram, kyle.fatloss.expert. I'll put it on the screen. Catch you in the next video.